The internet's asleep, same old game, same old sound. But deep in the back office, a tremor hit the ground. June 21st, when 2:12 fell, the clock struck truth. While skeptics were still sleeping, we saw the living proof. 3 years of silent building, 3 years of purge decay. Ash cut the dead weight branches, made room for the new day.
You thought he'd gone quiet, you thought the fire died. He was stoking the inferno, with purpose burning bright. Julie felt the pressure, whispered, John, it's time. We woke up to the message, 4 words that shook the night.
Winning, winning, oh winning. The universe just flinched. Winning, winning, oh winning. The party's off the hinge. Steam screaming from the boiler, power in the air. Ash buffers moving, the doubters left to stare. Forwards lit the dynamite. New direction, take your flight. The struggle of the family, the shadows that they crossed. The sacrifices buried beneath the weight of loss. This moment's their vindication, this message breaks the chain. The intuitive will wait and the rest caught in the rain. The goggles on too late, now the future's burning white. As heart aligned with vision, we stand here in the light.
An intensive writ, you knew it in your bones. The back office was humming with destiny's new tones. 3 times he shouts the future, confidence and steel. The internet's old pillars, destined now to kneel.
Winning, winning, oh winning. The universe just flinched. Winning, winning, oh winning. The party's off the hinge. Steam screaming from the boiler, power in the air. Ash movers moving, the doubters left to stare. Forwards lit the dynamite. New direction, take your flight. John and Bill are shouting a line from day one. This ain't just business, baby. This is the revolution. Come from June 22's last founder to June 25's command. Ash holds the keys to power now, the future in his hand.